Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain why attempting to create a do-it-yourself oxygen tank is incredibly dangerous and should never be attempted. It is vital to understand the severe risks involved with handling gases under pressure and the specific requirements for medical-grade oxygen. We will discuss the critical safety concerns and the proper, professional methods for obtaining oxygen when needed. Your safety is paramount, and understanding these dangers is the first step. Creating oxygen at home involves immense risks. Commercial oxygen cylinders are engineered to safely contain gas at pressures often exceeding 2,000 pounds per square inch. Homemade solutions simply cannot replicate this structural integrity, leading to a high risk of explosion or rupture. Furthermore, do-it-yourself methods often produce oxygen with dangerous impurities, which can cause severe lung damage or poisoning if inhaled. Medical-grade oxygen is a highly regulated product, purified to at least 99.5% to ensure it is safe for human respiration. This purity is essential to prevent adverse health effects. Professional systems also include precise regulators and flow meters, delivering oxygen at exact rates, such as 2 to 10 liters per minute, tailored to a patient's specific medical requirements. These standards are impossible to achieve with homemade setups. The only safe and effective way to obtain oxygen for medical purposes is through professional channels. Always consult a doctor or healthcare provider to assess your needs and receive a proper prescription. Oxygen should then be sourced from certified medical suppliers who provide tested, regulated, and safe equipment. Never attempt to create or modify oxygen delivery systems yourself. Always rely on trained professionals for your health and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.